Thank you to Onyx for sending us this sample. I love Onyx products, but it's also very confusing. In fact, in our 18 years of doing business, this is the single most confusing device manufacturer we have ever come across. They release so much content, so many e-readers, it's hard to keep track of what's what, when's when, and where's where. This is the Boox Note Air 5C. And to further confuse things, anytime there's a 4 involved, them being a Chinese company, they skip it because it's unlucky. So let's crack it open. Okay, I gotta interject on the little sights and sounds here. I don't know what kind of pen they're using. I actually can't guess right now. If I were to guess, I would say because this is an airline, they're gonna go Wacom. But man, they've been ditching Wacom on a lot of their devices, except maybe that's only mainly on the Go series / economical ones. Okay, I'm gonna say Wacom. Oh my god, what is this? I've never seen that. Why does it have a lapel clip? I don't think Onyx has ever had a lapel clip, except for when they were using the base model Netronics pens. What the heck is this? Okay, well look at that. Oh, that's a Wacom tip if I've ever seen one. Let's try to get that out here. Yep, that's a standard EMR Wacom tip. Well, would you look at that? Holy macaroni. It says make a difference on there. Can I twist this off? Does this do something? What is this? What's happening? Oh my god, look at that. That's taking a page out of the Book of Remarkable with this little hidden canister. That is awesome. I'm glad I didn't check prior. Seriously. You know, I've been doing this so long. It's nice to be surprised every once in a while. I'm not even joking. I am not joking. I'm not trying to be colorful for the camera. It is nice to be surprised every once in a while. How does this fit back on? Oh my god. Oh, it's a magnet snap. That's a first. That is an absolute first. Look at that. It goes down right about there and then it snaps. This is so gangster. I love this pen. Wow, this is already up there. Does this work on everything? I sure hope it does. Okay, I'm getting enamored with that pen. My goodness, let's just do a whole unboxing on the pen. No, okay, let's move on. So here's the device itself. Now, I don't want to belittle the brand because it's a good brand. It's a very good brand. But man, all their devices are the same. Like, what is this bringing to the table? You know what I mean? And we're going to answer that in the full review. But they're not even doing 8+256 on this, which means 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs onboard storage. Because if we check the outer sleeve on the box, I believe they're doing 6. Yeah, they're doing 6 gig with 64 on board. I don't know if they're saving the 8+256 for a more high-end version, but I see capacitive, I see 300/150 PPIs, octa-core. I mean, really, other than the Android version, which as we know and as all you guys know, you cannot update Android on ePaper devices. It's never been the case and it never seemingly will be the case. The only way to get more Android is to buy an entirely new $200 to $700 product, and that is an accurate statement. Where's the power button? Oh, it's really nice. Okay, let's look at the body. So we have volume up and down on the right side. On the bottom, it is completely clean. On the left side /bind, we have twin mics and twin speakers, as well as a SD card slot. I was going to say SIM, but this doesn't have cellular. And then on the top, you have, I think, 2 more microphones, because Chinese companies love doing quad mics, and a power button. The back is a very cool metal. It's all made out of aluminum, and you get a, wow, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 contact pin, pogo pin setup. Wow, that's cool. All right, let's do a first time boot up and just check the preliminaries. First thing I want to check out is this pen. Oh man, and just to double triple check if it's Wacom, we have a Kindle pen here on the Scribe. It is, there we go, all is well in the world. This is the brand new Onyx. It is color, it's 10.3, it's got Kaleido 3, everyone's had Kaleido 3 for a long time now. Really? without being rude, the only thing I can personally pick out of the lineup is the fact that it's got Android 15. Other than that, this is why we do the unboxings. We got to take a step back. We got to explore this. We have to see if there's really anything it's doing that it hasn't done before, because this is just, it's almost like it's just the other things they've done. We really have to do it justice. We have to see what everything's all about. We have to check out the body. The body's all brand new. The pen's all brand new. This is good stuff. I'm not trying to belittle it. I'm just saying that it at face value, it looks like it is much business goes as the same as it goes. So stay tuned for the full review coming up in a future video. Everyone, thanks for watching.